While riding to work in the rain, a loud and sudden metallic grinding noise came from the front of my scooter. I went into full panic as I initially thought it was a blown tire, but after a quick inspection, that was not the case. It continued to make the sound, albeit less frequently when I had a sharp lean angle or bottomed out the suspension. The list of possibilities going through my head were: 1. There was debris inside of the brake drum. 2. The wheel bearing was toasted. Or 3. One of the shocks was blown out. But once I had all my tools laid out to remove the front tire, I saw this. Thankfully, the nail only punctured the plastic undershield and not the gas tank. That was a crazy nail.